Southern Kitchen. This is the last of the 4 videos, well, 3 videos that you're going to see for catching up with St. Patrick's Day because, you know, was under the weather. So today what we're making is key lime cake. And it is a Trisha Yearwood recipe that I haven't made. I have made it once before, but I haven't made it in probably 8 years. So let me show you what you're going to need for it. There's 3 different parts of this. You have the cake itself. Then whenever it's still hot, you put a glaze on top of it. And then you put cream cheese icing on it. So let me show you what you're going to need. I don't know. Alright, you're going to need some confectioner sugar. You're going to need some juice of a little bit of lemon juice. An 8-ounce carton of cream cheese, softened up. A stick of butter, softened to room temperature. I have some limes here, but these aren't part of the recipe. I'm adding them to them because I'm going to use some of the zest. You're also going to need some key lime juice. And if you're going to use key limes, which if you'd be lucky if you find them right now, unless you're in Florida, you're probably going to need about 23 of them. Some vanilla extract. You're going to need some eggs. A 3-ounce carton, packet of lime jello. Some vegetable oil. And some sugar. And I'm using self-rising flour. If you want to divvy it up with all-purpose flour, you can use that. But I do want to tell you, all of my flour products are all White Lily. They make the best cakes, they make the best bread, they make the best biscuits especially. And they also make a cornmeal mix. But I do buy my cornmeal straight from the milling company here out in the country. So I just wanted to share that with you. Well, I'm going to get everything together and I'll bring you back so I can get everything so we can just put it in the mixer and get it going. Be right back. Okay, I forgot to tell you, you're going to need some orange juice too. Alright, first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And then you need to prepare a 9x13 pan with some flour and oil. I use the pan baking spray that has both of them. There's another one out there called Baker's Joy, or you may find another generic, a different model. And spray your pan, because we don't want any sticking. This recipe is also good for 3 round pans if you want to make it into a layer cake. Alright, let's get started. I've got my sugar I'm putting in here. All the measurements will be in the description box. I need 2 cups of flour. This is half cup measure. And your lime jello. I'm going to get the cover shield. Because I want to mix these up a little bit and yeah, it's going to go everywhere. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Never mind. Operator error. Lord have mercy. I think I need help. Told y'all something wrong with me. Alright, just mix these together. Alright, next you want to add the oil, your orange juice, I'm going to let this mix while I'm doing this. Orange juice, your lemon juice, your vanilla extract, and your eggs. You don't have to put them in one at a time or nothing like that. Just make sure they get in there. Look at the green. It's all pretty green. Let me get spatula. Pour it in your pan. This cake, as I said, there's two different things you put on it, the glaze, and then the icing, and I want to tell you a little story. I made a cake one day, you know, my anniversary's coming up for YouTube. It's been 3 years in July, and I made a statement that a lot of times when we make cake, that it gets thrown away if it doesn't get given away. And I had a guy comment on there, and he said, maybe you need to find a new recipe or just quit trying to bake a cake. So, you know, me and Tony, we love cake, or pie, but we just don't eat much of it. So, I usually end up giving my stuff away. Now, I don't know how this is going to work out, because my girl that I usually give it to, you know, everybody is self-quarantining, and that's all I'm going to say. Alright, let's pop this in the oven. This is going to cook approximately 35 to 40 minutes, and we'll bring you back then. Guys, I just got this out the oven. The edges got a little brown, but it is done. Now we're going to put the glaze on it. And I'm going to take a fork and stick some holes in it. You know, I think 400 degrees was way too hot. But that's what it said. It's still going to be good regardless. And it's just the sides that are bad. See if you can get in there and look and see the green. Alright, let's make this glaze. I've got my confectioner sugar in there. Now I'm going to add the key lime. You know, if you had cooked it in the round pans, you would have them take them out the pan after they sit for a minute. You could do it with a 9x13, but I'm not going to. Alright. Mix that up as good as you can. Obviously, I didn't do a very good job, but Yummy. Alright, we're going to let this cool completely. Then we'll come back, make the icing, and get this cake finished. Be back. Alright guys, let's mix up this icing. I've got my softened cream cheese and my softened butter in here. And I'm going to cream these two together. And as I said, it doesn't call for it, but I'm going to do like a triple lime flavor, and I am going to zest up this lime. It'll be pretty with the little green specks in it as well. I bought two. So that means I got an extra lime in case I want to use it to put in that certain type of beer that I can't say. Alright, that's not much, but alright, then I'm going to start. Damn, this is going to be hard to do. I'm going to go ahead and put that much in it right now. There, that's a weird about using my light. I am definitely not ambidextrous. I can't use my left hand for anything. Alright, I think that's going to be enough since I didn't take it out the pan or anything. I added about, a cup and a half of powdered sugar. That's good. Alright, let's go over here. Darn it. Excuse me. Wouldn't it be nice if I made enough or I didn't make way too much? I think I might have done good. While I'm doing this, I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please take a look around. I do a lot of videos. Southern cooking is my specialty, but I don't limit myself to that. So hit that subscribe button. I sure would love to have y'all in the family. And if you like what I did, give me a big thumbs up. my God, it did work. Now this is going to be a little thick too on it, which I'll scrape mine mostly off. Alright, I'm going to grab some saucers and we'll bring you up and bring you back and cut this up. Alright, I am back. Look at it. Look green. Well, thank you for watching. I appreciate y'all being here. I love y'all being here. Hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family and give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it out on your social media. And y'all have a good one. Dessert's ready.